What's up, everyone? Welcome to NetSec Ninja. This is your go-to channel for network security. Not the surface-level stuff you've probably already seen. I'm talking real, structured, practical breakdowns of the enterprise tools and concepts that are actually used to protect modern networks. We're covering Zscaler, Palo Alto, CrowdStrike, Fortinet, SACE, Zero Trust, threat intelligence, the full stack. Whether you're just getting started or you've been in security for years, this channel has something for you. Let's get into it. All right, join the Ninja Squad. Here's what I need from you right now. First, hit that subscribe button. It genuinely helps the channel grow, and it means you won't miss a single episode as we build out each series. Second, turn on notifications. I upload consistently, and you want to be there as soon as new content drops, especially if you're following a series day by day. Third, like the videos and share them with anyone you know who's working in network security or studying for certifications. That's how this channel grows and how we build a proper learning community. And fourth, comment your questions. Seriously, every question you ask might become the next video. This channel is built for you, so tell me what you want explained. Starting right now, we're kicking off the Zscaler series, Level 1, Day 1. The question we're answering: what is Zscaler, and why is it transforming enterprise security? You'll find that video next. Find me at NetSec Ninja across YouTube, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Let's go.